K.
Hi, Kathy. Hi, Carl. How are you guys doing today?
We're doing fine.
Great. So how was your design consultant that came out to your home?
Wonderful. No problem.
Yes.
Good. I see the floors turned out really, really nice. Very, very nice. And then how was the overall experience with Express Flooring from start to finish?
Pretty good. We wished they would have talked to us more about a problem with leaving the carpet in the closets.
Oh, okay.
Because they didn't tell us it was going to be a big deal. And we did it only because we have a safe in the one closet and it would have been difficult to get it out, and we didn't know if it'd be difficult to work around it. So they didn't explain to us that it'd be just a lot easier if you just do the whole thing. So the flooring people came and it went beautifully.
Great.
And then, because we were here like in one day, and then they said we can't finish because we can't tuck the carpet in. We have to have carpet people for that.
Okay.
So they did. They tucked it in, and then they said, well, we can't really put that guide on the bottom because
For the closet doors.
we need some of the tools that the laminate stuff.
So we had a gentleman come today and he made it all work.
Yep.
So.
Oh, great.
It wasn't a big deal. It just,
Yeah.
Okay.
could have been handled differently.
Yeah. I think if we would have been explained.
A little more informative?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And we would have just had the closets done. We would have been done with it.
Yeah, no, we'll make sure we're taking care of that. Most definitely.
You did.
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate that. Well, thank you guys for taking your time with me today. We enjoy your service with Express Flooring, and you enjoy the rest of your week and your beautiful floors, okay?
All right.
Thank you.